Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Material UI themes for accessible React interfaces. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Material UI themes for accessible React interfaces, begin by creating a new React project or open an existing one. Ensure you have Material UI installed in your project. You can do this by running the command npm install @mui/material@emotion/react@emotion/styled. Next, open your main entry file, usually index.js or app.js. Import the necessary components from Material UI. Specifically, import the theme provider and create theme functions. Then, define your custom theme using the create theme function. In this theme, you can customize colors, typography, and other properties. Ensure to include accessibility features such as high contrast colors if needed. Wrap your main component with the theme provider. Pass your custom theme as a prop to the theme provider. Once your theme is wrapped around your components, you can start using Material UI components. To apply the theme, use the theme attributes directly in your components. Make sure to test your interfaces with different accessibility tools. This will help ensure that colors contrast well and text remains readable. Also, consider adding ARIA roles and properties for improved screen reader compatibility. Review your component styles and adjust them according to accessibility guidelines. Finally, continuously update your theme as needed to maintain accessibility standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.